A meeting was held between the Minister of Ecology, Environmental Protection and Climate Change, Aziz Abdurrahimov, and the head of the Global Environmental Facility, Carlos Rodriguez. Details in the following report.
The minister congratulated the head of the GIF on the successful holding of the 66th meeting of the Global Environmental Facility Council in Washington and expressed gratitude for cooperation in the development of regional projects. Ministers of Central Asia are ready for regional cooperation on the restoration of ecosystems and prevention of climate change. 5 countries are interconnected. The Central Asian region is one ecosystem, Aziz Abdurrahimov said. For reference, $26 million were allocated to 5 projects of the Central Asian Water and Land Network regional program to restore the ecosystem, improve natural resource management and increase resilience. For the 5 projects, the total cost of $18.6 million will be implemented with the support of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, with the participation of Uzbekistan. These projects include land restoration in vulnerable Central Asian ecosystems, strengthening integrated water resource management in Amul Darya, Zarafshan, Sirdarya, Panj and Norin, and integrated natural resource management to improve ecosystems and biodiversity conservation.